comprising 6 modern specialist vehicles that include quick reaction force vehicles, heavy and medium, a light specialist vehicle, vehicle-mounted infantry mortar system, all-terrain vehicle, and a specialist mobility vehicle. These are new generation vehicles under the Atmanirbhar initiative of the government. These vehicles can be used in the desert and mountainous regions and snowy areas to transport troops, and the specialty of these vehicles is their suspension. The detachment led by Major Tufan Singh Chauhan of 5 Rajput, Lieutenant Colonel Panmay Kabipun, and Captain Armandeep Singh Ojla. Specialized vehicles of the Indian Army that provide them support on the ground. On the ground. The crowds here seeing these vehicles for their first time. A perfect opportunity for the Indian Army to share glimpses of the equipment that they have at their disposal.